Hi, my name is Desiree and I am here today to talk about the climate change and the rise of climate change and how it is increasingly happening. As we look around, we can see that the hue of the sky is getting darker, and it's very concerning. But do many of us know why this is happening? Global warming is the main cause of environmental change and how it is deeply affecting our future lives of our children, our grandchildren, and our close loved ones, and how we would want better for them. It is important for us to be aware of climate change because of the detrimental effects it's having on our future. Now, I am here to talk about climate change and what it is and how it's affecting us and how we can change climate change today if we start by doing the simpler things in order for the environment to stay better, healthier, and all around just a cleaner earth for everyone. And firstly, I'm going to be discussing what is climate change and what is exactly affecting us when we talk about environmental problems, and what is the main drive of climate change. NASA has a whole webpage dedicated to climate change, and they list many facts on what it is and how it is affecting our everyday lives. They say the current warming trend is particularly significant because it is unequivocally the result of human activity since the mid-20th century and proceeding at a rate of its unprecedented over a millennia. It is undeniable that human activities have warmed the atmosphere, ocean, and land, and that widespread of rapid changes in the atmosphere, ocean, cyrosphere, and biosphere have occurred. Now, why I'm explaining this is because human activity, such as when we emit greenhouse gases, are really affecting the rapid changes of climate change and preceding the atmosphere that we live in currently today to get worse. Now, this is important because this is affecting our future and potentially affecting the future of our Earth. NASA also describes that this is the time series between 1884 to 2020 and how the globe has heated up since climate change has been on a high rise. Here it is. Now, why that is important is because we don't really notice how much heat has been added on since over time, because we live through it every day, and it's understandable not to look at the temperature as a big factor of climate change, but yet this is one of the biggest factors, and it's because of us that we emit greenhouse gases that are unnatural to Earth's atmosphere, as well as any unnatural resources that we use, such as cars, everyday things that we use that we can do to prevent climate change from happening so rapidly. And potentially, if we do these things, we can cool the planet. And this is important because we need to make sure we make a huge advances towards fighting climate change. Now, that is all I have prepared for now for my speech, but I still have my 2 other major points to work on, but that is my visual aid. Please let me know what you guys think. I know I still need a lot of practice. I've been honestly just really trying to tackle just the information part. So yeah, please let me know what you guys think of the introduction. I know it's a little rocky, but I promise once my major speech is done, it'll sound a lot better and a lot more fitting to climate change. But that is my visual aid I am hoping to use. So let me know if that was helpful for you guys in regards to climate change and what it means, and if it shows any, if you felt any detrimental impacts just by watching how much the globe has heated since the beginning of climate change. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.